Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So this is for our Ford Kuga. It's a 2 litre TDI titanium diesel. So it's covered 71,284 miles. It's just been serviced. It's got a good service history with it. We've got both keys, all owner's manuals, etc. So it's finished in ginger ale, which is a factory extra. It's got the half leather interior. It's got the tow pack as well. So all the information, spec and everything will be on the vehicle, the advert, sorry. This is just really to give you a walk around description. There'll also be approximately 100 photos on the Auto Trader advert. As with all our cars, they're supplied with a warranty and you've got the option to extend. And they'll all come with 12 months MOT, and everything we sell is HPI, motorcheck clear. Is viewing by appointment only, so if you want to make a viewing or a test drive, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.